Let's now proceed with our second problem, which is we need to solve the distance of Bermuda to Puerto Rico. So we have given angle F is equals to 61 degrees, angle P is equals to 68 degrees, and side P is equals to 1035 miles. Since we already have opposite pairs, which is angle P and side P, we can use the law of sine. So that will be our first step. So therefore, the formula that we are going to use is P all over sine P is equals to F all over sine F. And afterwards, what you will do is to substitute the given values. So from P, we substitute it to 1035. From sine P, we substitute it to sine 68. Then F is missing, divided by sine F, which becomes sine 61. Then afterwards, what you will do is to cross multiply and then equate it to F. So therefore, we have 1035 times sine 61 all over sine 68. And then from there, what you will do is to press on your calculator first sine 61. That gives us 0.8746, and then sine 68, which will give us 0.9272. And then from your calculator to solve for F, what you will do is to multiply 1035 times 0.8746 all over 0.9272, which will give us 976 miles. So therefore, the distance from Bermuda to Puerto Rico is 976 miles.